exclusive Vidiq discount on Switch Pod products. What is Switch Pod anyways? Yeah, that doesn't look stable. I'm sorry. So as you guys can see, so it says Vidiq Academy free training. It's free. So we're offering Vidiq brings together. Basic users get access to free bundles that include at least one full course a month. Pro users get, oh, so you could do a whole course. Yeah, I don't want to do a whole course. Oh, and Vidiq has a YouTube channel. They do weekly or monthly. I believe it's weekly. They do channel audit. I think it's called channel audit. So, or channel reviews. I don't want to say the wrong word. I think it's channel reviews. They have like a whole live stream where they just, you could type in the chat. I don't know how they randomly pick you, but let's just say you type in the chat and go, oh, I want my channel to be reviewed and all. And then they review it for you. They tell you what you need to improve on or what or not. But when you go to VidCon, they're right there. They only okay, the first day, I guess because now they're popular, they only limit. But like, from what I seen when I first went last year, they were reviewing a lot of people's channels right in front of you. They're helpful to give you tips. Even if you don't want to talk to them, they're still nice to you. They go, okay, have a nice day, but just to let you know this and that. Like, every time they've been trying to talk to me, I didn't want to listen, but then they got me. They finally got me. Vidiq, they've been saying from videos I watch, if you don't get us now, eventually you'll get us, because you'll know that we're important, we're good. See? So it says video, okay, audio. So this is the audio. So these are the free music, as you guys can see. But no, we're not getting the tools. The tools, I already showed you guys. The videos. So videos meaning wave maker. Skyrocket your YouTube channel with the power of YouTube marketing. I mean video marketing. I don't know what they mean by video marketing. So I think you can market 65% off for the best video editor. Ooh. Teaser of social media. I would need that, but I don't want to pay. You know, every little thing you see, you just pay, but we don't do that. Okay, it says images never having to edit another video. Vid crop takes the burden of editing off your shoulders, and the editor to your team in just a few. Wow, so you can get somebody to edit your videos. Wow. It says it's free. It's not free. They're lying to you. It says sick of editing video crop. Add an expert video editor to your team in just a few minutes. This I trust. I don't trust the people that randomly hit me in the inbox. I know you have to have faith, but I don't want to keep wasting my money. I've been hearing so many things about, oh, they took my money. They said they haven't done it. But this Vidiq is promoting. I might as well. So anyways, it says the best video editing service for YouTubers, digital marketers, small businesses. We offer Vidiq users 3 different options. Unlimited chops, 8 to 12 videos a month for $500 a month. Damn. And then weekly, 4 videos a month, 245 a month. Single chop is $100 one time. And then it says all plans include 48 hours turnaround. So you have 48 hours, meaning 2 days just to get it back. Color grading, lower thirds, text animation, multicam, transitioning, green screen, audio, and all. That is sick. And you get a special discount, okay? Wow. And then they have a little video, but we ain't doing that. Wow. See how they put you on? Do you see that in TubeBuddy? No. And then a lot of you are gonna come for me. Well, everybody's different, and Vidiq is giving you more. It says professional editors on demand, stock video and audio included. Turnaround is 2 days. We deliver quality videos. Oh, this guy, his name is Angie. I don't know how to say it. In 2017, after releasing over 300 videos and gaining over 20 million views, I literally quit YouTube. It's called YouTube burnout. Yeah, because you do. I personally comment, do so careful. Some people just don't want to edit their own videos, you know what I mean? They rather do it for people. I feel like that's how I am going to become. but it's not yet. Sometimes I burn out. I don't want to edit my videos, but then I push myself because I was like, look how far I have come. You know what I'm saying? I came so far to edit my videos. I improved and I love it. So yeah, you can get that. You can get music, radio, creative. There's Shutterstock, exclusive VidIQ, image and footage. So you can get images from here and then translate your content and reach 7 billion people. So I think this is to translate. Hold on. Yeah, we ain't reading that, but you guys get the gist. There's graphics. Ooh, like I said, place it, you get 25% off. Custom thumbnails. You can pay for custom thumbnails. Like if you don't want to do, you could automatically get it here. And then it says we'll do the work for you by signing up. We'll customize. We'll create a custom thumbnail design for you. Do it yourself. Option 2. Take advantage of over 200 template designs in our library to create your own thumbnail. We add more templates to the library every month. Keep your eye on it. So they give you YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, podcast art, Facebook banners, Facebook posts, images, and all that. And then you pay. So I guess they give you like different kinds, like the high top that you want. But you could do it yourself. I'm a person that likes to do it yourself. That's how I was raised. But if I eventually get tired, obviously I'm going to pay. And then it says exclusive VidIQ offer for design cap. What does this mean? To create design with thousands of templates. So again, they can create templates for you. You get 40% off. Thumbnailytics. So test your thumbnail before it's published. So yeah, it will tell you if it's good or not. You can pay for it. You get 50% off. So each month is $14.50. Let's see if it told you here, because sometimes they don't tell you the price. Yes, this one tells you. And then it says Little Monster Media.ca exclusive for thumbnail subscription. So here, this guy, oh, this guy, he works for VidIQ. I think it was him. I don't know. So again, they do thumbnails for you. They assist you. So for 4 thumbnails, you $150 for 4 thumbnails a month. For 8 thumbnails, you pay $250 a month. For 12 thumbnails, you pay $350 a month. For 20 thumbnails, you pay $550 a month. For 30 thumbnails, you pay $750 a month. For 50 thumbnails, you pay $1,000 a month. Wow. And then 15% off, you pay $127.50 a month. Oh my god. Wow. So look at all these opportunities and things they give you for VidIQ. Thank you, VidIQ. So yeah, I think that is all I have to say for VidIQ. VidIQ is great. That's all I have to say. They give you more opportunities. So this is all VidIQ. I love VidIQ so far. Let me stop recording. So that's what I like about VidIQ, because you get more out of it. Where TubeBuddy, on the other hand, they only limit you. You only could do a limit of search. Well, VidIQ, you can keep searching. Using two CEO extensions are great. So again, only downloaded on Google Chrome, because VidIQ anyways is only available on Google Chrome. It's not even available on, what is it called, Safari or the other internet browsers. But yeah, you want to, excuse me, you want to get that. There's a lot more into VidIQ than there is to TubeBuddy, but I still use both. I love how VidIQ gives you more, and they give you other stuff. Like if I want to get somebody to edit, they show me where I can go to get somebody to edit. That I believe is like 100%, because they're working with them. But then, like I said, anything could happen, right? So it's always good to have faith. But at the end of the day, compared to the ones coming in my DM, I rather trust what VidIQ is offering me than what is in my DMs, right? It's like a membership. Like you get it and you can pay or whatever. They recommend you good places, and it's like a membership, you know, which is great. But yeah, I am just talking and talking. I hope you guys got what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, everything is gonna be down below. The TubeBuddy and the VidIQs down below. I'm gonna just say now because someone's gonna come for me. They're all affiliated links. So when you download it, I get a percentage. I don't get a big percentage. Everybody keeps saying I get a big percentage. No, I don't. I don't get a big percentage. I get a little. Even though they said a little, I haven't gotten any money, to be honest. I've been telling people about Vidiq. They're just looking at me like I'm crazy. Some people don't want to use because they feel like it's a lot of work. It's not a lot of work if you take your time to do it and research properly. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't get a lot of money from it. I haven't gotten paid. I think there's a certain amount where you can get paid, or there's a way of how to do it. Maybe I'm not doing it properly. I don't know, but I haven't got paid yet. So yeah, affiliated link is down below, but I use Vidiq and TubeBuddy to help me. But I use Vidiq more. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I use Vidiq more for my tags. Titles, yes. Titles, yes. Ooh, speaking of Vidiq, they have a mobile version. The mobile version is the best. What I like about the mobile version, y'all comment down below if you want to see a video on the mobile version. So for the mobile version, I don't know if this does it for the desktop because I haven't seen for the desktop. For Vidiq in the mobile version, as soon as you search a title, like let's say I type in CEO, whatever comes up first, that is what they're going to direct you into YouTube. So like I type in CIO, they're giving you the best title, the #1 search engine that comes up, the #1 not search engine, the title that ranks #1 on YouTube. That is what Vidiq gives you. So the #1, whatever you see pop up first. So as soon as you, let me see if I can show y'all. Let me do a quick screen record right now. Vidiq, download the app. Y'all make sure to download the app. So right here, this is Vidiq right here, right? So I'm gonna type in CEO right now. It used to come in, I don't know, maybe because I typed in CEO right there. See, I have to press search. It tells you which is the best one. So what if I say search? See, when you do this search engine, see it's how it's already coming. So search engine optimization, that is #1, ranking #1 on YouTube. This is what I like about YouTube, because automatically they push you, tells you what is ranking on #1. So right there I can search for it, but it still tells you the volume. Even though this is what I used to do, even though it's still telling you the volume is low, whatever the score, it's ranking #1 on YouTube. So I'm gonna go with it, and then it tells you the tags, but they obviously give you limited tags. That's what I'm saying. You could just download it on your Google browser. Yeah, Google Chrome browser. Then it tells you the trending videos. So if you get the plan, it will tell you the trending videos, and then it will compare for you. So yeah, this is it right here. It says the top channels who search for the term, and then these are the keywords, but you could just press it right here and you can see it. Then it says commentators, but you don't want to see that. And yeah, tells me my popular videos, you know. And then yeah, but overall, like I was saying, I like Vidiq. There's more to it than TubeBuddy. I'm not hating on TubeBuddy, I'm just saying there's certain things you can use on TubeBuddy. So I use both, okay? I feel like I'm just talking too much as usual, you guys know, but yes, this is my second video. Hopefully you guys use both of them. But yeah, I'm just talking, like I said. I really hope you guys learned something from what I'm teaching you. I feel like I was talking too fast and then I was talking too slow, but either way, the speed I was talking, I hope you guys took in what I said, okay? And if you need any more help, do not hesitate to hit me up, because I'll be glad to help you guys out. I've been helping out a lot of people. A lot of you might even comment on this, be like, yes, Jay's been helping me with a lot. I know, I love helping others. But yeah, again, I'm talking, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye, y'all.